How to hide balance in TokenPocket. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily hide your balance if you want a little more privacy when using it in public in TokenPocket. If you are using TokenPocket and don't want others to see your balance on screen, then here's how you can hide it. First of all, launch open your TokenPocket application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll land in your main wallet dashboard, where your total balance will be shown at the top of the screen. In order to hide the balance in public, all you need to do is to tap on the eye icon right next to your balance, and you'll be able to hide it from prying eyes. So now after you tap on the eye icon closes its eye. It looks like that, and then your balance will be hidden. Tap on the close eyelid again to reveal your balance, and the balance will become visible again. Now your balance is hidden from view, keeping your funds private when you are around others or recording your screen. That is how you easily hide your balance in TokenPocket. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.